everyone, I'm Karina, and I'm going to show you around Aston Student Village, giving you a short room tour. First, let's take a look at where you'll be spending most of your time, your room. You'll have a choice between a single bed or a slightly roomier 3/4 bed. There's a ton of underbed storage, as well as a wardrobe and a desk for your ultimate study setup. All of the rooms are ensuite too. You'll have your own toilet, shower, and mirror to ensure you're nice and fresh for all of your lectures and nights out. Moving on to the kitchen, you'll be sharing this with 5 to 7 other students who will quickly become your best friends. In your kitchen, there's an oven, microwave, fridge, freezer, as well as a number of other utilities like ironing boards. Washing machines and dryers are found on the ground floor and they're shared between the whole building. Next to this, we've got the common room and games area. Chill out, watch TV, or crush your flatmates at ping pong. If you're working on a group project or learn more working with others, there's also a group study area. Make sure you take a look at the bulletin boards for some of the best attractions around Birmingham when you're done studying. The Student Village and campus feels really safe with 24-hour security. You can also get help with any issues at any time with the SafeZone app. Lastly and most importantly, we want to show you how close you are to the university. You're right in the heart of campus, and you can walk from the main building to the library in just a few minutes.